Welcome. So I would like to share with you some ways to help create a little bit more mobility in your neck. I'm going to bring my video down just a little bit, back her up. There we go. Okay, so I'm sitting on a rolly stool because I get to use a rolly stool for work. So the first thing that we're going to do is that you're going to grab the side of the seat. If you're not able to grab the side of your seat, you can go ahead and sit on your hand. Either way works just fine. So we're going to work on this side of the neck, and we're going to take the head and bring the right ear toward the right shoulder and bring it back up. Right ear to right shoulder and bring it up. Right ear to right shoulder and bring it up. Okay, now we're going to rotate our chin 10 degrees toward the right, and again, right ear to the right shoulder. Keep that rotation in just 10 degrees, nothing crazy. Okay, and we're just moving the stretch back on the neck to get a different muscle. Okay, and keep the movement gentle and a little slow. We don't want to get ballistic with this. Okay, and then bring your head back. All right, now we're going to do the other side. Okay, so either grab the bottom of the seat or go ahead and sit on your hand. Now we're going to bring the left ear to the left shoulder. Nice and easy. You're going to find that one side feels easier than the other side. That's perfectly average, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and rotate that chin just 10 degrees. And again, left ear to left shoulder. Keeping that movement going, okay? So we're just creating a fluid stretch here, trying to bypass that stretch receptor activation, really create some good length. Okay, all right. So now the last step of this is to open up the front itself. So that being said, if you're a hypermobile person like myself, please do not extend your head all the way back so that it's resting on your upper back. That's too far. You want to probably just go as far as where being able to look and see where the wall and the ceiling meet. Okay, don't go any farther than that. All right. For everybody else who's not hypermobile, go ahead and bring your head up into extension. And if this doesn't feel like you're really getting anything in here, you're going to use a wide hand, thumb, and your forefinger. Place it at the collarbone and then traction that downward. And hold that. And then again, bring the chin back to neutral and bring it up. Down to neutral and bring it up. Down to neutral and bring it up. Okay? Nice and gentle, nice and easy, keeping the movement fluid as we're moving. Okay? And so what we've just done here is that we have helped to create more mobility and more length in these little muscles that form a V on the front of the neck. Yes, there is absolutely a more targeted way to do it, but this is a complementary way. Okay, these guys are called your sternocleidomastoid. And then underneath the sternocleidomastoid, from the front of the neck down to the first rib, is your scalene. And then we have the middle scalene, and then we have the posterior scalene. So we just helped to create some more length, more mobility, more responsiveness in those muscles. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you find this helpful.